Okay, so I have got a gift for you that I think you are going to really, really enjoy. I've been working on this for a little bit and finally got the coding down correct. And I wanted to give it to you as a gift to help you make your SaaS website just a little bit better. So, if you've ever seen the MRR calculator, monthly reoccurring revenue calculator that HighLevel has, I've seen a couple people ask where they can get one. Well, I made one for you. Okay, so essentially, you can put it on any page. I put it on a little basic page just to kind of show you how it would work. But you'll see this is an element right here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it and how to duplicate it inside your own SaaS and your own funnel so that you can do the same thing on your website. So you can put it on a real decorative page. You can put it on a basic page. It's really your choice. So when a page loads up, it's going to look something like this. You can put a little header above it, put something like this if you want. It's really up to you. This is the element that shows up right here. So it's got an MRR calculator. Okay, and it says I sell my service my service sells for blank dollars per month. So you're going to put in your amount here. Let's say it's 199. Okay. How many customers do you plan on getting every month? Let's start with something small like 5. And then churn rate. So churn rate, for those that don't know, is how many customers you lose. What percentage of your customers you lose. So you sign up 10, you lose 10%, you're going to lose 1, right? So you're going to be plus 9. Next month, sign up 10 more, your churn percent's 10%, you're going to lose 1 more, right? So you're still going to be plus 9 more, you'll be at 18 at that point. So essentially you want to put your churn in right here. Okay, so let's start with something low like 5%. And then you hit calculate. Okay, and it's instantly going to show you what your estimated revenue is going to be for the first year and your estimated revenue for the second year. And it's going to break it down by month. Month 1, month 2, 3, 4, and then you can see month 6, you're like at $5,000 a month. Down here at month 12, you're at $8,600, almost $8,700 a month. Okay, you total up all of these months here, and you're going to get this number right there. Now, obviously, the longer you continue doing this, then the more revenue you're going to make. So by month 24, you'll be bringing in $13,000 a month. Okay, that's when you're selling it at $199 a month, and you're signing up 5 people each month and only losing 5%. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of other interesting things. We're going to use this as kind of an opportunity to give you some training. Okay, so I often see people who will come in, they figure, well, you know what, I'm going to underprice and I'm going to sell it at $99. Okay, so you sell it at $99 a month. Okay, now you're brand new. And so you don't have a system in place where you're able to support. Maybe you're doing support by yourself. Maybe you are not doing support at all because you don't fully understand how to even offer it. Like you don't know how the software works, and so you're afraid to even offer it. So you just kind of stay away from it, right? So average SaaS that is not providing some sort of support and being able to keep their customers happy, show them onboarding, show them how to use their system, train them essentially on how to actually continue to use it, right? Because if somebody doesn't understand something, they're not going to continue to use it. They're sure heck not going to continue to pay for it, right? So your churn rate's probably going to be in the 20s. Let's start with 20%. Okay, so we call this the race to the bottom. Right. So if you sign up 5 customers a month and you lose 20%, you're going to lose 1 customer every single month. So you're going to be plus 4. Right. So end of the month, you're going to be just under $100. Month 2, you can see at month 3, you're at $1,461. Now, your HighLevel subscription is at least $279 in order for you to even do this. Or not $297, excuse me, in order for you to even do this, right? Imagine if it's $497, you're not even breaking even until month 3. And you're still not putting anything in your pocket. A little hard to do marketing and grow and be able to provide the quality service when all you're doing is providing SaaS, right? You're providing SaaS only, you're not providing any services, you're lowballing it at $99 a month, and it's just really hard to get ahead. By month 12, you're going to be bringing in a whopping $1,844. Okay, you're at that point going to be spending $300 a month minimum on your HighLevel. So in reality, you'll be bringing in about $1,500, and it's going to take you a year to get there. Okay, and then look, you can see your growth is actually pretty low from each month. Okay, and that's because you're selling it low, and you don't offer any type of support or any type of onboarding because you just don't know how, or you can't afford it, one of the two, right? And so then what happens is by month 12, you're struggling. You're really struggling. You're like, how do I keep doing this? Okay, so let me show you another scenario. Let's bring your price up. Let's bring it up to $199. Okay, we're going to continue to go out and get 5 customers a month, but then you offer a pretty dynamic and well put together onboarding program that teaches people how to use the software and encourages them to get in and use the things that they bought. Right. On top of that, you offer support. Right now, the challenge is if you're offering onboarding and you're outsourcing it, you're probably paying somewhere in the neighborhood of $50 to $150 a session, right? And in most situations, that's going to be like one session. If you're lucky, you might get two per price point. That's if you're lucky, and that'd be like me trying to teach you how to use HighLevel in 1 to 2 hours. It's just not going to work, right? So, for example, like with our onboarding, we offer a 4 session approach where we drip and teach them how to use their software over a 45 to 60 day period, and they have a point of contact, customer success manager, to reach out to when they get stuck, right? Different things like that. Okay. You combine that with a support mechanism like 24/7 live support. They have someone that they can hop in and start chatting with. Then now your churn rate comes down, right? Let's say we can get it down to 5%, and you hit calculate. Look at the huge difference. We doubled our price, right? So we went up in what it cost to purchase your system. We provide quality support. We provide quality onboarding. So we're keeping more of our customers. We're no longer selling 5, losing 1. We're selling 5 and keeping most of them. Okay. And now look at month 1. By month 1, you are halfway to your yearly revenue that you were on the previous one. Okay. By month 2, does that number look familiar? That happens to match the exact same number that a moment ago was way down here at month 12. Okay. So putting together the right program. So I often hear people like, well, how are people being so successful at this? Well, it's because they offer a quality product. Okay. A lot of times people come into HighLevel and what they think is, oh, I can automate my entire business and I'll just click a button and turn it on and it's going to make me money for the rest of my life. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, that's just not the case. Like, why would somebody continue to buy that? Right? You're going to constantly be selling and you'll be constantly losing members and subscribers. And then next thing you know, you're just going to eventually get tired of all the work and effort that has to go into getting 5 people to spend $99 a month, only to be making a whopping 1,800, 1,500 after you pay your HighLevel bill. And at the 297 plan, you can't even really rebill anybody. So you're actually now potentially going backwards based on whether you're able to rebill somebody. Okay, so having a quality product that you offer, right? Quality service, quality software, quality support, quality onboarding, all of those things put together, wrapped into a nice little bow. You're providing a quality solution and you're pricing it at the right number, then you can really, really grow. 2 years into this, you can expect to be bringing in $13,000 a month. Look at your year 2 revenue. Okay, 137, almost $138,000 a year. Okay, that's at year 2 selling only 5 new customers a month. So now imagine on top of that, as you're growing, you're getting better and better and better at it. And instead of doing 5, you bring that number up to 10. Now look what happens. Okay, you're hitting year 2 number by approximately month 9. Okay, so the number continues to compound, right? So what happens is it just continues to compound month after month after month. All right, so let me show you now how to put this calculator into your funnel or into your website, whatever you choose. As you can see, this is just a live little demo page, but you're essentially going to go into your funnel builder or your website builder, whichever one you're using, and you're going to put your header in like you normally would, put your footer in like you normally would, and then go ahead and stick another section. Okay, make sure it's an independent section. Now, I do recommend you give it a darker background, or at least a background that's not white, because as you can see, this element is white. Okay, so if you put a white background in the back, then you are going to end up with white on white. You're not going to be able to see the rounded corners, and it just looks a little different. But I mean, it's really up to you. Okay, so then after you put in your section, you're going to put in your row, and then you're going to eventually put in your HTML coding. For those that don't know where it's at, it's under elements. It's about halfway down. It says right here under custom, it says code. Just drag it in and put it right there. Now all you do is click on it. You'll see the open code editor on the right. Okay, and then you're going to literally copy and paste that code that I'm going to provide you in this lesson. You're going to copy and paste it right into that section. Don't put anything fancy in it. Just copy and paste, hit save, close it. Make sure you save and publish, and then you hit your little eyeball if you want to preview it, and you'll be able to see it just like so. Okay, so have fun with it, spruce up their page, use it as a way to help generate extra revenue for yourself. If you're doing the affiliate program, you can even use it on your affiliate page. So that way you can show others the same thing that I just showed you and hopefully get some affiliates out of it. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. You can drop a comment into the lesson below, or you can just reach out to us, whatever you feel like. It's up to you. Either way, my gift to you, no cost. Hopefully, it makes your agency a little bit better, and maybe, just maybe, you guys will price your SaaS at a higher price point. I've seen some out there doing $5.99 a month, and they get only 8 clients in a month. Look what happens by year 2 and year 1. Okay, but again, you have to be able to provide a quality product, quality service to be able to charge a good price that's going to make you money. Okay, so have a great day. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the code, and I'll see you in the next freebie whenever it comes out. Bye bye.